Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by for another unboxing. This is my second Sephora play since I resubscribed. I am planning to unsubscribe after this box just because, well, I'm spending too much money on makeup subscriptions, and I really kind of just want to test out the new BoxyCharm Premium and the Ipsy Ultimate. So I'm going to try those each for a month and then kind of see what's going on from there. Maybe 2 months, we'll see. But anyway, even though this one's only 10, it's just, it needs to go because I'm spending too much money on makeup subscriptions. And if you are kind of curious about that, if you watch my box musings video, I did the math on all of these and it's a little insane. Anyway, the September box came with this little guy. As always, they come in this thing, which I hate because it is not, like, I just don't like these type of bags. I'd rather have something that's reusable and giftable that I can use that looks nice, right? All right, the first thing I pulled out is the Amika Bushwick Beach No Salt Wave Spray. And this, it just says to put through damp or dry hair for best beachy waves, separate strands into small sections and scrunch or twist, then air dry or blow dry. So I'm probably gonna pass this along. I think that's kind of nice, but you know, my hair is so super straight that I'd have to do more than just scrunch it to make it do something, because it doesn't like to, I'm trying not to kick the camera as I cross my leg. It just doesn't like to do anything other than being straight. Even with this braid here, oh my gosh, that's funky. Even with the braid, like, it will have just this very slight wave after it's been there for like hours and hours. So it doesn't, that type of product doesn't really work in my hair, unfortunately. Next thing I'm pulling out is the scent. This is the YSL Libre. I wonder if it says any scents. It says it's floral with orange blossom and lavender. Oh, I don't like lavender. It gives me a headache usually, so hopefully this doesn't smell too bad. It's a little strong. So it's a little strong, but I find all YSL scents are a little on the strong side. And never mind, it's not lavender that I don't like. It's lilac that gives me the headache. Because I think whatever one is the bush, that's what gives me a headache. Anyway, I'm not a fan of this. I'm going to pass this one along. I was really hoping I'd like this one too until I saw, until I actually smelled it. I just don't think it's quite my type of a scent. Next up, we're pulling out a tube. It is the Pores Be Gone Matte Primer with Fig Extract. Interesting, from First Aid Beauty. I don't really know anything about this. I have, whoa, so many primers at home that I try not to open new ones, but this one was already open. It does not have a seal. I like it when they have seals. Do you like it when they have seals? Like, is that something that you care about? It does have a weird scent. It doesn't smell like figs, I don't think. I don't know, but it goes on fine. I'll try this. I'm trying to find a good primer right at the moment, and so maybe this one will work with the next foundation I'm trying to use up. I haven't found a primer that I like too much yet. All right, next in here is from Bite Beauty. This is their, what are these? This is their Matte Cream Lip Crayon in Glacé. I feel like I have this one already. So I'm not gonna swatch it because I feel like I have it, and if I have it, I want to pass it along to somebody else. But that was the next one, that's fine. Bite, I kind of have a love-hate relationship with. Sometimes I like them and sometimes I'm not a big fan. Next is from Hourglass. This is the Caution Extreme Lash Mascara in Ultra Black. I do like this one. I've gone through one sample of this and I have another one that I'm really excited to use. So now I have two, which is good. Like, I will always take that mascara sample because I do like that mascara. There's a lot of mascaras that I just don't like at all though. And then finally, the last thing in that bag was from Fresh. This is the Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash, which is why I kept the box this month, because I was hoping that I would get this cleanser. I really love strawberries. I can't tell if it smells like strawberries because right now all I smell is the primer and the perfume. It's a little overwhelming, but I'm excited to try this. So of these, like there's two that I'm excited and will definitely use. There's two that I'm kind of on the fence about. I'm not sure, like I feel like I have Glacé already. Like I feel like that's a shade that I already have, and I'm not gonna go through all of my lipsticks right now to figure it out. I am trying to work on an inventory so that I can tell easily. And then these two I'm going to be passing along because they're not for me. So kind of really a mixed bag this month, which is part of the reason why I want to cancel it. Also because the Play Pass that we used to get that would give you 50 points used to be on any purchase, but now you have to just spend $20. And I don't want to spend an extra $20 a month at Sephora. I've been pretty good this year and I haven't, like, I'm not close to platinum, or I mean rouge, but I'm not nearly, like last 2 years I hit it in March or April. So this year I haven't hit rouge yet, which I feel is pretty good for me actually. Anyway, those are my thoughts on the products. Did you get a similar play? Do you get play? Why or why not? What were your thoughts on the products that I did get? I hope you are all having a fantastic day. I really appreciate you stopping, taking a few minutes to watch this video, and I'll talk to you guys next time.